You have now opened your account. Now it's time to fund the account. Things that you would need in order to fund this account is your bank information, your routing number, and your account number. So if you don't have that, pause the video, go get that right now before we get started. Okay, so first you will go to My Account, and then you will go to Deposit. And then we're going to scroll down. We're going to go to Account/Bank Connection. And then we're going to go to Connect. So this is the information that we will need in order to connect our bank, which is our checking account, your savings account, whatever you are trying to connect to our trading account. This is the information. We're going to need that checking account information. If you have any name on that bank account, you're going to need that also. And we're going to need the routing number, the account number, and then you're going to have to re-enter that information. And then you're going to hit the button Continue. After we had re-entered that information, it will bring us to Deposit and Transfer. So we will fill in that information about our bank. In the city. And just remember, it's the location, branch, or where you open the account. So that's not it. Okay. And then the state. So mine is North Carolina, so I have to find that. And then you're going to hit the Continue button. And then we're going to scroll up. So it will also verify your information. You will review the information and then see, is it any nickname on the account? And then you will scroll down. And then you will click this box right here that you have read it. And it will go through the automatic clearinghouse agreement. You're going to click it and then continue. And so now you have to pick where you want them to verify your account. Either you want it sent by a text message or you want it sent them to call your phone. I'm going to select that I want them to send me a text message. And they're going to send you, you're going to enter that code. So you heard it just ding. We have the code. So enter that code and it would take you to the next page. After you have entered that code, you will come into this area. You will see your banking account information that you have now just signed up. And this will allow you to move money back and forth between this account, TD Ameritrade, and this account. That is the reason that we signed it up like this. Now we're going to go to Deposit. How are you going to deposit your funds? So we're going to click on that. When you have entered that information, it will bring you to this screen. And we are going to go to the recommended one, transfer money from your bank. So we are going to transfer money. And then we're going to scroll down. And you're going to see how are you planning on doing that. So when you have that set up, that the money will be coming from Barry account. And and the amount that we want to deposit. So just say if we want to deposit, let's say for right now, we're going to deposit $2. And how often do we want to deposit? Once? Do we want to deposit twice a month? Or do we only want to make a deposit of one time? So I'm going to say one time. And I'm going to scroll down, and it's going to say, when do you want that deposit to happen? So you can pick today, tomorrow, or sometime next month. We're just going to go with today. And they're going to tell you when these funds are actually going to be available. Sometimes the funds are available immediately. Sometimes the funds take a little longer to clear. So, and it also say funds posted may have some trading restrictions, but it says after this date right here, your funds should be able to either make trades. It will be able to make trades, but you also will be able to pull your money out when you want to. So we have this all set up. We're ready to fund our account. And what we're going to do now is we're just going to hit submit. And right there, that is how you fund your account. We just funded our account with $2 to get us started with using our paper trade, which will eventually be our real money account.